Smile and learn.
Greetings, citizens. I am Superlexia, the guardian of spelling and grammar. I help make language excellent by following the rules. Let's defeat spelling and grammar mistakes with the power of clear and impactful expression. Today, we're going to talk about some simple contractions that we use every day. A contraction is two words that turn into one. This makes them faster and easier to say. To make a contraction, it's super important to use a punctuation mark called an apostrophe. This is an apostrophe. Now, when you make contractions, remember this rhyme. Drop a letter, apostrophe, squish together, friends forever. Do not. Now, drop a letter, apostrophe, squish together, friends forever. Don't. Does not. Drop a letter, apostrophe, squish together, friends forever. Doesn't. See? Making contractions is easy. Here are some more for you to practice. Has, not. Hasn't. Have, not. Haven't. There is. Theirs. That is. That's. Let us. Let's. Can, not. Can't. Could, not. Couldn't. Okay, citizens, now it's your turn to make contractions. Remember, drop a letter, apostrophe, squish together, friends forever. What's the contraction of does and not? Doesn't. What's the contraction of let and us? Let's. What's the contraction of there and is? Theirs. Finally, what's the contraction of can and not? Can't. Great job! Farewell, fellow language warriors. May words be forever in your favor.
We've learned so much in just one video. Did you know there are many more videos? Imagine how much you could learn. Subscribe to the Smile and Learn educational channel to learn and have fun at the same time.